girl Bubbles. Let's get in the buzz. If you're thinking of going to Jamaica Dream Weekend, check out their website for their early bird specials. By the way, big changes. Appleton Special is now the title sponsor for Dream Weekend. That is totally awesome sauce because that means premium liquor is gonna be lit. We're talking about Hennessy, Sky Vodka, Moet, Appleton, rum. First, we'll be launching their Beat Buzz app on February 23rd, where you will have the chance to win awesome weekly prizes like the Samsung Mini Galaxy tablets. So you might want to stalk their Facebook page. Syrup is having an Instagram time-lapse competition where at the end of the year, one lucky winner will capture the genie. Get it? If you wanna be with me. Cruise.com is giving away a St. Bart's escape for two. This includes a 3-night stay at Le Sereno, airfare and transportation. Offer ends February 27th. PetSmart is giving away weekly prizes and a grand prize of a National Geographic expedition for 4. Offer ends March 1st. Share your web and social media updates with us by using the hashtag #InTheBuzz. Be sure to subscribe to our page. And that was The Buzz. I'm bubbling out.